If your basketball net is stringy and falling apart like ours is, then this might work for you. So I got this basketball net and I'm going to just open it up and see what it looks like. Obviously we needed a new basketball net and also a basketball backboard, which is probably next on the list. Okay, so this is a regular standard basketball net. It has 12 loops up at the top so that you can loop it around the net or the rim. It feels really nice. It's really soft, but it's also really strong. This is supposed to be all weather, which is nice, so it will hold up in the rain, in the snow, in the wind, in the hot sun. And this is not a stringy like basketball hoop. This is it's a good tough cord string. Look at all those cords, those bands. Okay. And it's actually got a little bit of weight to it too. It said that it's an anti-whip net too, which is nice. So this is what it looks like. It's got the long ones at the end. And I'm excited because we definitely needed a new basketball net, and this looks like it's going to hold up, and it feels like quality too. Looks like it's stretchy, so it will have no problem with the ball getting through the net, and this should definitely withstand all of the hoops that my 10-year-old is going to shoot with him and his friends. And he loves sports, so he's definitely going to get his use out of this, and this will look so much nicer than that stringy, gross one that we have out there. But if you are looking for a basketball net that is all weather and it's an anti-whip, then I would definitely check this one out. This is a good quality cord, and I'm excited for him to start shooting hoops and try it out. So, highly recommend. Hi! The link is in the description below. Hit the like button if you liked this video, and subscribe if you want to hear more things that I drop for reviews. Everything that I review is something that I personally use and love, so follow along on my journey, and I would love to have you. So we will see you next time. Bye!